Welcome guys to my channel. My name is Creative Search Joe. I'm a creator and entrepreneur. I upload videos on this channel twice every week. So please click on the notification button below and hit the bell to get notified. When you subscribe to this channel, you learn how to solve tech problems, crafts, and even tutorials on various subjects. So guys, for today's video, I will be teaching you how to unlock your Lenovo tablet model number X505L. Now in a situation whereby you've forgotten your password or your pattern, or you give someone and the person mistyped it and you can no longer have access to your tablet. So this is what you do. You hold down your power key. This is the power key. Okay, you hold it down. A message comes up. You click on power off and then you click on OK. Wait for it to switch off. Then our Lenovo is switched off. So the next thing you do is to hold your volume up, volume down, and then the power button. All together, you hold it down. The Lenovo logo comes up, you keep holding. The Android recovery message comes up, you keep holding. And when the Lenovo logo comes up again, you remove your fingers. Then we wait for the recovery message to come up. Now I'm going to try to bring this up. Okay, hope you can see it. Here we have the Android recovery platform. For us to scroll down, we're going to be selecting wipe data or factory reset. Now we're going to be doing that with the volume button down. I'm going to select wipe data or factory reset. To select it, you click on your power button. The message is going to come up that says wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Now let me tell you, when you do factory settings, if you don't back up your pictures or documents, you get to lose them. So please, whenever you buy a device, make sure you back them up, maybe through Google backup, or you just get a memory card. So we're going to select yes by clicking the volume button and then click the power button to select. Now you're going to see a message here. Sorry, you're going to see a message here that says wiping data, formatting data. Okay, so you've done that already. So what you do next is to go to the reboot system and click the power button. So our tablet is going to load, come up again, and please make sure you have a working data, internet subscription, or a Wi-Fi to be able to do these following stages. I've checked online too for search tutorials, but none has come up. But if you've come across a tutorial that teaches you how to unlock this particular model, please leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know. So this is going to come up. Okay, our device is now on. On the message, you're going to see some messages that shows that you're just newly buying this device. So we're going to select the language. For me, I prefer selecting English in the United Kingdom. Okay, then you click on start. I hope you can see it. Okay, a message comes up that says license agreement. Click on more. Well, I don't have time reading it because of the tutorials. So I'm going to click on accept. You can see connect to mobile network. There's no SIM on this tablet, so I'm going to skip it. And it says connect to Wi-Fi. Well, I have a Wi-Fi, so I'm going to connect to That's Wi-Fi. And click on connect. Okay, Wi-Fi is connecting. Okay, hope you can see it from here. Checking for updates. Okay, now we have another message that says copy app and data. Because I backed my tablet, I'm able to do all of this. I'm going to click on next. Then it says bring your data from, I'm going to say bring your data from cloud, because that's why I backed it to Google Cloud. So you're going to type in your email address. So guys, you fill up the form. Whatever questions they ask you, you fill them up, and then your tablet, you're able to access your tablet. Okay guys, after filling the necessary information, our tablet is back to normal. We can now access various things we want to. So guys, if you've learned anything, please click on the thumbs up button, and for those that have not subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. So till we meet again, I remain your one and only Creative Joe. And you know what? It's okay to be different and creative. See you next time.